Hey Bronco family, Jake from TOMS Off-Road. It's time for the 6th annual TOMS Off-Road Rock and Roll event. So this year's Rock and Roll event will start Friday, July 22nd. We're gonna take a street cruise up to Crater Lake, which should be absolutely beautiful, or we have a trail ride from the McGrew Trail in O'Brien, Oregon. After those are said and done, we'll meet back at the shop. We'll do a downtown cruise, followed by our popular drive-in movie. On Saturday, the 23rd, wake up bright and early. We'll be out at the Jackson County Fairgrounds to have our show and shine. We'll have live music, food trucks, giveaways, the award ceremony, group photo, tons of fun stuff for the kids. We'll take our valley cruise that we do. There's some great wine, breweries to check out. After our cruise, we'll meet back out at the Expo, have a dinner with some live music. Should be a great time. And remember, it's open to all Broncos, so there's no excuse. We should see everyone there. There is camping on site, but it's very limited, so please get registered today. If you have any questions, check us out, tomsoffroad.com, or don't hesitate to give us a call.